Here I have Nissan Qashqai, and let me show you a few tips to use the Google Assistant. Let me show you a few useful commands that you can use on the Nissan with Android. So at the very beginning, few things that you can use with your navigation. You can say, for example, "Hey Google, navigate to Krakow."
Got it. Krakow.
"Hey Google, show me the navigation to Krakow."
All right. Krakow.
As you can see, now you can navigate, you can set up your route, and if you would like to stop it, there's also the way to do it. "Hey Google, stop the navigation."
Stopping navigation.
You can search for some things, like for example, "Hey Google, find a gas station near me."
There's Shell 0.2 kilometers away. Want to navigate there?
No.
What about Javix 0.3 kilometers away?
No, stop the navigation.
Okay.
So as you can see, you can pick one of the following things from the list and you can navigate them. You can also here navigate and use the media entertainment control. For example, you can say, "Hey Google, play radio."
Sure. Playing radio.
"Hey Google, stop radio." So as you can see, it's quite useful to also do it. If you connect your phone, you can use the communication commands like call someone, text someone, read my messages, redial. You can also use some vehicle controls, such as, for example, "Hey Google, set temperature to 21 degrees."
Got it. Changing the temperature to 21 degrees.
And more things. So really, it's good to know your Google commands, and I highly appreciate using the Google Assistant in the Nissan Qashqai. So I think it's really useful pro tip, and "Hey Google," it's amazing. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.